Welcome back here on Highway 77, just south of the interstate in Chipley, Florida. Looking at some of the damage, looking at some of the water issues caused by the tremendous rainfall that we've had. Just had the opportunity to speak to Secretary Tommy Barfield here on this location. Here now with Ian Satter. We've had the opportunity to speak with Ian before at the grand opening of the bridge there in Vernon, Florida, not too long ago. Ian, you guys have got certainly some challenges and opportunities right now. As I mentioned to Tommy, you guys do such a great job with infrastructure that despite this record amount of rainfall, the impact seems to be minimal. Now, that's easy to say if you're not the person that has to take the detour to get home, but nonetheless, from our perspective, you guys have minimal impact from this huge, what could be a disastrous situation. And I know you attribute that to your staff and your infrastructure. Give us your thoughts about what's going on right now.
Well, we have seen an unbelievable amount of rain in the past couple of months, July all the way through August. It's been amazing. And what we're seeing is our system is trying to relieve that flooding as much as it can. You can only engineer so much before Mother Nature eventually wins. But our staff is out here all the time. When we see these flooding events occur, we have staff out there 24/7 trying to make sure that we can get the water off the road so people can move safely down our corridors here through Northwest Florida.
What is the prognosis? What's it look like right now?
Well, right now we're looking at a couple different things here. We have a lot of water coming off of Blue Lake here. So what we're planning to do is hopefully get some systems in place where we can pump some of this water down the road quite a ways to some of our facilities that can handle this amount of water and get the roadway open, get 77 open for commerce and for people traveling to and from work.
Regardless of your capacity, when you're full, you're full. You're catching sort of a break right now. It looks like we got some sun coming out. It seems that the weather forecast looks favorable. What's the latest on that forecast?
Well, we're looking ahead and we're seeing we're going to have a couple of days of sunshine. That'll help us dry out a little bit. Obviously, any days where we don't have rain is going to be helpful for us to alleviate flooding. Again, we're at capacity where the water is right now. But, we're looking at ways that we can hopefully try to relieve some of that. We do ask people, if you're out on the road, you see water on the road, just avoid it. It's safer to go around, find another route. The time you think you may save is not worth risking your life.
Absolutely. Right now, you are detouring people around the Blue Lake area. What is the extent of that detour right now?
Well, right now, we're putting people on County Road 77A towards Falling Water State Park. We're rerouting them back into Chipley. In Chipley, we're also rerouting them down 280 to County Road 77 to get them back here on the State Road 77. And we've had folks come along and see what's going on, and they've been wise enough to turn around. We have staff here making sure that people see the road is closed. As you can see, we've got plenty of water on the roadway, plenty of water in the ditches, and again, you can't see the road when it's covered in water, so we're turning people around. We want people to be safe.
Well, this is Monday, late morning. Yesterday afternoon, I made a trip from Wausau up to our office in Chipley, came back probably just right at the end of when you were allowing traffic to come through. Felt like I was in a power boat,
right.
Awake on either side of me, powering through that stuff. Obviously, knew enough to drive slow, but you do have that window where you haven't quite shut down yet. It starts getting dangerous. How do you make that determination of when to close a road?
Well, we look at safety, number one, and we work with our law enforcement officials here in the county and everywhere across Florida, and we work with them and determine the safety of the roadway. And if we determine that it's not safe, whether that is the county sheriff or FHP or whoever the law enforcement official may be, they will make that call to shut down that road. We will assist them in keeping the road shut down. And until we determine that it is safe for the public to travel on, we won't open it until we know that for sure. Safety is paramount for us. It's always been our #1 mission. We want to make sure people can get to and from where they want to be, but we're not going to do that at the expense of safety.
Is this the only detour that you have in place in this general area?
Right now, this is the only detour we have in place. We had several roads that had water on them late last night in Chipley, but also across the district in Bay County, here in Washington County, Jackson County. So we've seen water on the roadway, but we have people on staff at all times monitoring those situations. And again, if they're out there and they feel, and they're working with our law enforcement partners, and they feel that the roadway's not safe, there's too much water, we'll shut it down.
Well, as I mentioned to Tommy, we appreciate all that you do. Easy to be an armchair quarterback, easy to say, man, why are they blocking my road off? Why aren't they giving me access to my road? But at the end of the day, it is, as you point out, and Tommy does, it's all about safety. Best of luck going forward. It looks like you've got a pretty good handle on it. You've done pretty much all you can do. As you point out, you just have to have some dry weather.
Yep, and we've got some crews coming out looking to pump some of this water out. That'll help alleviate the situation we see out here. We're going to continue to be on site until it's safe, and as soon as it is, we'll let the public know. We want to get them back out here as soon as we can and as safely as we can.
Thanks for taking the time.
Anytime. Thank you.
Here now with Ian Satter from the Department of Transportation here at Blue Lake area, just south of I-10 on Highway 77 in Chipley. Interesting situation. They're making the best of that situation. Relatively few number of people being impacted at this point anyway, and we'll be right back.